Changing bad habits can be challenging but is entirely achievable with dedication and the right strategies. Here are some steps to help you make lasting changes. Identify the habit. Clearly define the bad habit you want to change. Understanding what triggers this behavior is the first step towards altering it. Set specific goals. Establish clear, achievable goals for what you want to accomplish. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable steps. Replace the habit. Find a positive habit to replace the negative one. This helps to fill the void left by the old habit and provides a constructive alternative. Create a plan. Develop a detailed plan that includes the steps you'll take to change the habit, potential obstacles, and strategies to overcome them. Stay accountable. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can provide support and hold you accountable. Consider keeping a journal to track your progress. Use reminders. Set up visual or auditory reminders to prompt you to engage in the new habit and avoid the old one. Practice patience. Understand that changing habits takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and recognize that setbacks are part of the process. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Rewarding yourself for making progress can reinforce positive behavior. Seek support. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to seek help from a mentor, counselor, or support group. Professional guidance can provide valuable insights and encouragement. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress and make adjustments as needed. Stay flexible and open to changing your approach if something isn't working. By following these steps and remaining committed, you can effectively change bad habits and replace them with positive, healthy behaviors.